everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for Hip Kit Club featuring the gorgeous March Hip Kits. I'll create a mixed media layout using the brushstroke stems which are included in the March color kit and the March 2024 floral and front metal die set. I start with the background of my layout. Therefore I use the brushstroke clear stem set which is included in the March color kit. I stamp 4 lines with different stamps and black ink. Then I stamp some black splatters using the Fox Mixed Media clear stems which are included in the January color kit. Now I cut out leaves and blossoms using the Essential Solids Fern, Atlantic, Desire, Biolicious, Leisure, Sunbeam and Patience papers which are included in the March cardstock kit. arrange the leaves and flowers on my page. I have two photos which I cut out with a 2.5-inch circle punch. Now I use the March 2024 Viewmaster metal die, cut it out 2 times from white cardstock and frame my photos with these die cuts. I place the photos on my layout and add the title. I use one of the Color Me Happy large chipboard titles which you can find in the March main kit. I adhere everything and continue embellishing the page with 2 of the chipboard flares which are included in the March embellishment kit. Two puffy shape stickers, and one of the cardstock layered foam phrase stickers, also included in the March embellishment kit. Then I add a die cut from the cardstock ephemera pack, which is included in the March main kit. And more puffy stickers. I finish with some epoxy stickers from the March main kit. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.